Fried patties are perhaps the ultimate comfort food. Today, we're doing a pan-fried chicken croquette, but you can substitute any ground meat you like in this recipe. Pork, salmon, and tuna would all be nice treated this way. It's always good to dice up the veg first, the potatoes, onion, and celery. The onions and potatoes need a bit of softening, so saute them until tender. This should only take about 10 minutes. Beat the eggs. You'll add these to the chicken along with some seasoning. Get it well combined and season everything with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. If the dough is getting loose at this point, pop it in the freezer for a few minutes. If the mixture is cool enough, form the mixture into patties. You just put a bit in a ring mold to make the patty. If you don't have a ring mold, wrap several strands of aluminum foil around a highball glass to make one, or just use muffin tins. The next step is to bake them for 25 minutes at 400 degrees until they're cooked through. This is what they look like when baked. Meanwhile, get some oil heated up for frying. There should be enough oil in the pan to come halfway up the patty. While that's heating, set up a breading station with 3 plates. One will have seasoned flour, one will have beaten egg, and the last will have breadcrumbs. Dip each patty in the flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs until coated. This is a mix of breadcrumbs from just what I have around. Fry each patty in hot oil until browned. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once the patties are brown, drain them on a paper towel lined pan. Now it's time to plate. That's one of the most appetizing dishes I've seen in a long time. I'll just put them on the plate here with the sauce that goes with them. This is a caramelized onion remoulade, sort of like an aioli. And that's ready to go. And by the way, at the meal we had a potato and pickled garlic salad as our side dish. The perks of being an eater. You can find the link to those recipes below.